Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn CVC words? Say with me and watch till the end.
Welcome to CVC Words Learning. Ag Family Words. Are you all ready today? Yes! Okay. App. Good job. Say again. App. Okay, well done. Apple cap. Say again. Apple cap. Apple map. Well done. Okay. Apple map. Apple tap. Good job. Apple gap. Very good. See again. Apple gap. Now, add family words. Add family words. Bag. Good job. Tag. Say again. Very good. Lag. Map, tap, gap, bag, tag, rag, lag. We learned all the words. Great job! You learned app and ag family words today.
Wow! You learned CVC words today. Practice again and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.